from most Alex, and I got myself a catch can for my 2cc engine, and I'm just going to show you how it is to connect it and what it actually does based on what I know. That's quite a bit to do, but I will show you. Here you can see my 2cc engine as it is currently. You know, the RVS hose I have over there. I actually like how it looks, so I'm thinking of replacing everything in that kind of style instead of the red hoses I have now. So let me know what you think. Anyway, that one goes to there. Basically, it was very hard to fit, so I took the original hose, the original black one I got with the engine, cut it off, put an 8mm internal diameter extension in it, connected to my hose over there, goes to here, which as you can see is the out, and that one, which is the in, comes from the head and goes there. So this basically, I didn't have enough hose, so what I did was I just put an 8mm extension in there, so I connected those two hoses, but I'm getting a new one of these, putting it there, and that's me done. Then, since I had a bit of hose left over, I decided to extend that one all the way over there, which is nice, but like I said, I'm thinking of replacing this and all the way to there as well, and I don't like this, so I might change this somewhere so it goes behind the engine, but not sure yet. And then because all of this, all those pipes, they go there, which it makes sense if we reroute all this. But anyway, so you can see the catch can from here. You see my terminals off. I decided to reset my battery last night. I don't know if it makes a difference, but I just wanted to try it anyway. So I bought this on eBay for 16 quid. Fitting wasn't that easy. I couldn't find the correct place, but based on the MR2 groups I'm in, I found everyone put it over here. It's it's a bit wobbly, but it's secure. There's 3 holes there. If you can see it. There, it's only one. I still need to figure out. Maybe I can shave this one a little bit and then put another one in. But there was a pre-hole there, so that made it fit, and then the other one goes a knot. I only put this in yesterday because I couldn't find any hoses, and then I remembered I had this one, so I decided, oh, that would be nice. The RVS. Got my finger, and you can see over there. Got my finger there. But because it's quite hard to cut, but that's how it is. My manifold looks like shite, but it's going for. I'm going turbo anyway in a year or so, I think. So I don't care how it looks now, as long as it drives, because my 1cc blew up. So other than that, the car's quite nice. Still haven't. I figured out my coolant issue for the people that follow me on Facebook. So that has been sorted. The only thing that's left over to do is, you see this hose there? Well, last weekend that one blew off my engine, about the cap that was there. So I decided to put a big fat hose in it. As you can see it over there. So that's a valve which is closed, and then after that valve there is, don't ignore the coolant by the way, but after that valve there's a bolt or a nut actually that goes in there and makes sure that everything is nice and tight. So it basically blocks the coolant twice, but this isn't the most appearing looking hose, but I'm going to order myself a blockage somewhere next weekend or so. I found one RVS, I will show you when I get it, which goes in there. I will cut this hose till about there, if you can see it. Then put that bolt in and tie everything up with a few clamps, and that should be all done. So yes, this is my engine, and that's my catch can. So the next catch can I'm getting, which might be next week as well, which is going from there all the way to there. So in my case, I want to reroute it in the same way I did on this one, and you know, the same way I just need to find a place where to put the other one. I tried it there, I'm actually hoping there is this one, if you can see it, that one, and I'm actually going to investigate what's there, what's behind this, and see if I could make it there. But if you have a better location for me, just tell me, or maybe show me where you got yours. But other than that, I don't think it's too bad. So any tips and suggestions about, you know, putting the second catch can in, let me know.